Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Clash Royale. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Clash Royale game and then wait for the game to load. Once the game is loaded, you will be taken into your home screen. Now from the home screen, just tap on the Friends tab at the top section and then you will find an Invite Friend button. You can simply tap on this and then you will be given a link that you can copy and share to your friends, which they can click on to join you on Clash Royale. You can quick share them through any of your messenger applications or copy the URL and then paste it in your messages. You can also tap on the connect button to connect with your Supercell ID to find more of your friends. Just tap on get started and then log in if you already have an account, or tap on register now to create a new account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on Clash Royale. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.